know what is mean Maeklong?
What does Maeklong mean?
Maeklong is meaning the name of the river.
Of the river.
Yeah, they have like the two river from Kanchanaburi.
Okay.
Phra Noi and Phra Yai, they come to join together and move to the Maeklong.
Okay.
That one the name of the river.
And that's the name of the river, and that's why it's called the Maeklong
This is
Station.
the Lom Hub Market or the train market.
Okay, great. And we're going to check that out as you're going to see the uniqueness of this, where they have the market right on the train tracks and then pull it up when the train comes through, right?
Yes.
All right, great. We'll see that. Right, we're heading a shortcut that Bo knows here. How many times a day, Bo, did you say this train comes? 8 times?
Yes, 8 times a day the train is coming.
Okay, great.
From 6:30 morning until 3:30.
Until 3:30. Okay,
The
great.
last train.
All right, and here, oh my gosh, we're coming right out to the train
The
tracks.
train come on 8:30. The train is come from the right side
Okay.
to left side. And the people they move the umbrella out. Yeah.
Okay, and the people move the umbrella out when the train comes through, right?
Yes.
Oh man, we're walking down and see this market here right on the tracks with the umbrellas. And the train is going to come right through here and they're going to move these umbrellas out and the train is going to pass. Boy, this is a big market, Bo.
So they have like the local people, they sell the fruit,
Okay.
the vegetable, and the souvenir.
Oh man. Yeah, they got lots of fruit here. Look at this.
Durian,
Yeah.
rambutan, and mangosteen.
I don't know that one. Yeah.
Mangosteen.
No, I
This
don't
one
know.
is the queen of the fruit.
Really?
Yes, it's very nice.
Oh god.
Sweet and a little bit sour.
Again, we're going to be right on these tracks. There's going to be a train here in another 25 minutes. Okay, we're going to try a few of these fruit. And what's this one? What's this one?
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen.
Yes, and this one rambutan.
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 All right, we're going to
It's
try
very
these
nice.
two. All right. All right, what is this now, Bo?
This is mangosteen.
Mangosteen, all right?
To peel for you.
All right. She opens this up.
Whoa.
And that white on the inside is what we want. Look at that. I'll take that guy. Ooh. That's delicious. Actually, that's really sweet. These are really good. Excellent stuff. Mangosteen.
Yeah, mango.
You have that one.
Yeah. This one a rambutan.
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 Rambutan. All right.
Open.
Oh, there it is. That like
Yeah.
seed. It's like an egg.
Yeah.
There's a seed inside, but it's like jelly on the outside, right?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna try this thing out. Oh, it's good.
Hello, how shopping for you?
Good stuff.
This is like
We
a
got
Thai
fish here.
mackerel. Thai mackerel.
Tail mackerel here. All right. Oh, that's what that is. I never knew what that was. I had that down in Pattaya.
This one dragon fruit and that one longan. Longan.
Again, we're walking along the train tracks here. Active train tracks. This is close to the ocean, you said.
Yes, this market is nearly the ocean.
Okay.
It's not too far.
Okay.
20 minutes from here to the ocean.
Ah, so that's why they have
This
seafood
market,
here.
Yeah, they have to sell the seafood.
Ah,
It's
got
a
it.
fresh one.
Oh, God, great.
It's very cheap.
Look at this, all kinds of things. Again, lots of fruit. Here we got some catfish here. We got some
eel.
snakes.
Eel, not snake.
No?
Eel.
Eels.
Which
All right.
She said if this one is snake, the snake is
Well,
bite.
how long is this market? It seems it goes forever.
So about 500 meters.
500 meters. Amazing. It's a long way from start to finish. Real nice. We're waiting the arrival of the 8:30 train. And all these awnings are going to get pulled up when the train passes. Again, the name of this market is?
This is Rom Hub Market.
What's again?
Rom Hub.
Rom Home
Yes.
Market. Okay, thank you, Bo.
You know what this?
No.
This is a frog.
Oh, frog. Here's some frog. Look at that. Man, oh man, yes, frog everywhere. Yeah. There's some frog. I had grilled frog in Pattaya.
Yeah.
Yep, I had it. There's some squid, shrimp. By the water, look at this. Some marlin. Swordfish, definitely fresh fish here. We're coming to one of the road crossings here at this train market. Maeklong. Here we are at Maeklong Station. We're crossing the road now because we got 5 minutes until the train comes through. Heading back through the market. Yeah, make sure we get a good spot. People are starting to move to the side. The train's coming in 5 minutes. Alright, this is where we're going to watch for the train coming, right? Hey, guy. And they'll be lifting up these awnings for the market. Okay, they're moving the awnings back. The train's coming, like in 30 seconds. All the awnings are getting pulled up there. Here comes the train. About a half a foot to my right. Hey! And right behind it, they're pulling the awnings back down. Hey! There it goes. And there they go. Now they're pulling the awnings back out and the market comes on down.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you, Bo. Very good. Right, to get out of here, I'm following Bo. She knows the shortcut. We're going out this way. We're gone. That was great. I'm right behind you, Bo. Okay, we're back off the tracks. Heading back. We had a good time. Hey, everybody take care. Bye from Maeklong.
Maeklong.
Maeklong.